Whether you're hunting for buried treasure on a sun-drenched beach, scouting for Civil War relics in the deep woods, or just hoping to find that wedding ring you dropped in the backyard, having the right tech in your hand makes all the difference. In 2026, metal detecting technology has reached a whole new level. We're seeing smarter ground balancing, deeper recovery speeds, and multi-frequency tech that can sniff out gold in the most trashy soil conditions. But with so many new releases this year, which one actually deserves a spot in your gear bag? Today, we're counting down the top 5 best metal detectors of 2026, ranging from beginner-friendly powerhouses to elite machines for the serious professional. All the products mentioned in this video, along with their latest pricing and full specs, can be found via the links in the description below. Let's get into the list and find your next big discovery. 5. SunPow OT MD15-US. Ready to level up your treasure hunting? This metal detector is a total game changer for long weekends, thanks to a 2500 mAh battery that delivers a massive 35 hours of continuous scanning. Plus, it charges via USB-C, so you can juice it up as easily as your phone. The 11-inch IP68 waterproof dual decoil is the real star here. It's engineered to cut through the chatter of mineralized sand and salt water, letting you find gold and jewelry in shallow surf where other detectors just get confused. Whether you're a pro or a beginner, the 4 precision modes, including a dedicated pinpointer and deep search capabilities down to 10 inches, make locating targets incredibly simple on the backlit LCD. It's also built for the whole family, featuring a tool-free telescoping shaft that adjusts from 19 inches to 51 inches, so it's just as comfortable for a child as it is for a 6-foot adult. Best of all, it's a complete all-in-one adventure kit, arriving with noise-canceling headphones, a heavy-duty shovel, and a backpack, so you can head straight to the beach the moment it arrives. Number 4. CKG Trion 01. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just getting your feet wet in the world of treasure hunting, this metal detector is a serious game changer. It strikes that perfect balance between power and precision, featuring a high 18.75 kilohertz frequency that's sensitive enough to sniff out tiny gold flakes or jewelry hidden up to 78 inches deep. What really sets it apart is the IP68 waterproof rating and the massive 11-inch DD coil. You can transition seamlessly from the forest floor to waist-deep water, up to 16 feet, without missing a beat. With 4 specialized detecting modes and advanced tuning for ground balance and discrimination, you have total control over your hunt. Plus, with a 20-hour battery life, you can stay out in the field as long as your endurance holds up, knowing your gear won't quit before you do. 3. Garrett Metal Detectors ACE 300. If you're looking to take the guesswork out of your next hunt, this metal detector is a serious game changer. The digital target ID is incredibly precise, giving you a numeric readout from 0 to 99, so you know exactly what's under your feet before you ever pick up a shovel. It handles trashy areas like a pro, thanks to the enhanced iron resolution, which separates the relics from the rubbish, while the electronic pinpointing mode lets you lock onto your find with surgical accuracy. I also really appreciate the adjustable frequency. It's a lifesaver for cutting out interference if you're detecting near power lines or other hunters. Plus, they actually include a search coil cover in the box, which is a nice touch for protecting your gear from rocky terrain. It's a fast, reliable, and surprisingly intuitive setup for anyone looking to level up their recovery rate. Number 2. Nocta Detection Technologies, 11625. If you're looking for a machine that balances professional-grade power with incredible ease of use, the Nocta Simplex Ultra is a total game changer. This isn't just a facelift. It features enhanced technical performance and a sleek, fully carbon fiber shaft that isn't just durable, it's remarkably lightweight at only 2.6 pounds. Whether you're trekking to a remote site or diving, the shaft retracts down to a compact 25 inches, and the entire unit is fully waterproof up to 16 feet. What I love most is the vivid color LCD screen. The interface is so intuitive that adjusting settings feels effortless, even for beginners. Plus, with online firmware updates, you can keep your tech current without needing to buy a new rig every year. It's well-balanced, high-performing, and built to let you hunt for hours without the usual arm fatigue. Highly recommended for anyone serious about their next big find. 1. MineLab 3720-0006. If you're looking for a metal detector that truly does it all, the Equinox 900 is a total game changer. What sets this apart is the multi-IQ technology, which lets you run 5 frequencies simultaneously to hit every target imaginable, or switch to one of 6 single frequencies for surgical precision. It's built for the elements, fully waterproof up to 16 feet, making it just as effective in the surf as it is in the soil. With 4 dedicated modes for parks, fields, beaches, and gold, plus a high-resolution 119 target ID, you can confidently distinguish between literal trash and actual treasure. Despite all that power, it's incredibly portable. The carbon fiber frame weighs only 2.8 pounds and collapses down to 24 inches, so you can toss it in a backpack and hunt anywhere, day or night. Whether you're looking to unearth ancient relics, hunt for gold nuggets in mineralized soil, or just find some lost jewelry at the beach, 2026 has brought some incredible advancements to the hobby. From the MineLab Manticore's rock-solid stability to the specialized separation power of the XP Deus 2 Gold, there is a perfect machine for every type of treasure hunter. If any of the detectors we covered today caught your eye, you can find the full list and direct product links in the description below. We've made sure to include the latest pricing and any available bundles to help you get the best bang for your buck. Like and subscribe. If this breakdown helped you decide on your next upgrade, hit that like button and subscribe for more field tests and gear reviews. Join the conversation. Which of these 5 are you leaning toward? Or is there a sleeper pick we missed? Let us know in the comments. Happy hunting, and may your next swing be the big one.